Mama, this is my seat in first class. Put your tray tables and your blue jeans down. We're getting ready for 80 days in France. Hey guys, just wanted to tell you a little bit about why we picked Paris and why France. I guess it all started when Paul and I first got together, and I mentioned to him once that one of my biggest dreams was seeing Paris, seeing the Eiffel Tower and going to Europe. So that's sort of what started it all. And so we've been talking about it and planning it and haven't really, okay, that's a loud car, haven't really had the money or the time to do it until now. With my job, my long service leave came in, so we've got the time and the money and we're going to do it. We are still in the process of packing, mostly me. I've got a little bit more to do. I've got mainly all laid out on the bed and ready to go. This morning we put the cat in to the cattery, and tomorrow morning we fly out. Tonight I'm going to go see my first Port versus Crows Adelaide showdown. So we're getting in a bit of sport tonight and flying out tomorrow. I hope that weather's good and we're comfortable and we have fun tonight. We still have the energy to do that tomorrow, but we've really packed in a lot in the last few days. I'm very excited about getting in business class tomorrow. Another bucket list ticked off. We're also interested in checking out the countryside and the culture and meeting new people, making new connections, not just hotels and shopping malls and in the car all the time. We want it to be about relaxation and fun and the countryside and meeting people. So I'm very much looking forward to that. So like and subscribe, and yeah, thanks for following. Okay, so I'm actually trying the thing where you roll up your clothes. Paul swears by it, so I thought I'd give it a shot. Even the dresses. Yes, this place is a mess. Pay no attention. See how we go. I'm gonna finish packing.